the entire Drone Helpline team, we wish you a very happy and prosperous new year ahead. The Indian drone industry has witnessed some significant developments in the month of December 2021, which will indeed increase the pace of growth in the coming future. Hi everyone, my name is Sasha and you're watching Drone News Express. To ignite inspiration among the youth and to create more demand in drone technology, FICCI and MITS Gwalior, in association with MOCA, organized Gwalior Drone Mela, which proved to be a landmark program in this series. The program was graced with the presence of Jyotiraditya Scindia, Minister of Civil Aviation, Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan and other dignitaries. BV Low's trial in India have gained new milestones with Tech Eagle delivering life-saving medicines using hybrid drones in Meghalaya in partnership with Meghalaya government and Smart Village movement. ICMR along with Nagaland government and Red Wing Labs successfully launches iDrone vaccine delivery initiative in Nagaland in Mokokchung district. In a significant step, DGCA has released the draft drone training circular for public comments for streamlining drone training programs in India and opening up new career options for youth. Big boost for agricultural drones. The Ministry of Agriculture has released SOP for drone application with pesticides for crop protection and for spraying soil and crop nutrients in agri-forestry and other areas. SpiceJet ICE drone delivery service for vaccines, life-saving medicines and essential goods, partnering with Throttle Aerospace, which has the potential to change India's supply chain capabilities. Good news for pesticide manufacturers. Central Insecticide Board and Registration Committee has approved the guidelines for registering existing and new pesticides for drone use in a very easy way. India's biggest drone show, where more than 500 foreign drones took part, was organized in Lucknow last month as a part of Amrit Mahotsav series of events on the First War of Independence of 1857. Arav Unmanned Systems acquired Aglopixel Technologies, a Bangalore-based software solution provider for drone operation management and cloud-based data processing for an undisclosed amount. Jonet Technologies raises close to $1 million in pre-series A round from Hardcastle Petrofer as it looks to scale up its UAV manufacturing and drone pilot training business. Air Probe, a Bangalore-based startup that uses AI for solar system inspections, was acquired by the US-based intelligent aerial imaging company DroneBase for an undisclosed amount. Big Bang Boom wins Bhumi BSF Grand Challenge on anti-drone systems, where they have received rupees 10 lakh as logistics support and to enable them to proceed further to the next stage of product development. JK Seaman partners with ESSCI and IG Drones to build future for workforce for India's drone industry, where the parties agreed to improve the present training infrastructure to meet global standards. HC Robotics, specializing in design and manufacturing of customized UAVs, have signed a MOU with IIT Hyderabad for testing of new technologies at the newly built Technology Research Park Foundation facility in the campus. Astral Aviation, an all-cargo African airline, ties up with Tech Eagle, India's leading drone delivery startup, to create a safe and reliable drone delivery network in GCC at Dubai Expo 2020. Indian Army's surveillance capabilities have received a major boost as Israel has delivered advanced Heron drones under the emergency procurement clause to keep an eye on the Chinese activities in the Ladakh sector. The BSF has shot down a drone along the India-Pakistan border in Punjab. The Chinese-made drone was detected and downed near the Van border post in the Firozpur sector. To meet the threat of drones, DRDO is closely working with defense agencies on an anti-drone system, and soon the forces will receive indigenous anti-drone technology as per Home Minister Amit Shah. The Tamil Nadu state government has given its approval for establishing the Tamil Nadu Unmanned Aerial Vehicles Cooperation in partnership with Madras Institute of Technology, Anna University. Making a move towards digital progress and for generating employment, the Uttar Pradesh government has worked on an action plan to set up drone manufacturing units in the state. Turkish company Zyron Dynamics, which offers unique UAV solutions using advanced technologies, is preparing to ship nearly 100 ZCQM multi-rotor mini drones to India within 2022. So friends, with this we come to an end to this month's Drones News Express. To get more updates, follow our Drone Helpline Facebook and LinkedIn page. The link is provided in our description box below. You can also provide us with your views, ideas and feedback. Thank you for watching. Do like our video and do not forget to share and subscribe to our Drone Helpline YouTube channel.